Eye makeup tips and suggestions. The eyes inhabit the most popular area amongst the 5 sensory organs of our body. Gorgeous and big eyes boost your beauty. Healthy eyes are related to your general health. Use eye makeup sparingly, for its extreme usage could harm the skin around the eyes. Keep in mind always to never use chemical eye makeup remover, because it responds negatively to the skin. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly take a minute to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know anytime we release a new video. And also, let us know what you think about this video and we will be glad to respond as fast as we can. Suggestions and comments are welcome in the comment section below. Using Smoky Eyes makeup will make you the most gorgeous and beautiful lady. It is a great option for drawing attention. An important thing to also take into consideration is the eyeshadow color. Being extremely mindful, smoky eyes are not hard to get. An advantage of this type of makeup is that it fits all face types. Start using smoky eye makeup. First, apply the best eyeliner and the base eyeshadow over your upper lid, blending with a base brush. The next action is to apply a tiny color over the eyes, from the eyelid to the eyebrow. Eye makeup is the enjoyable part of using cosmetics. Some basic eye makeup ideas. Apply eyeshadow that fits your character or reveals your state of mind. Apply the lightest shades over the entire eyelids and the medium shades on the lower eyelids. You can now apply dark colors to create depth. The finest area for doing this is the outer corners. Next, use a small amount of eyeliner, from the middle of the eyes to the corners. Apply mascara. For dark eyes, dark or dark brown is highly recommended. A dark brown eyeshadow must be applied from the eyelid to crease, for a much better result. Finally, use 2 layers of black mascara, and work slightly on your eyebrows for strong smoky eyes makeup. Kinds of eye makeup. Small eyes, use light shades of powder for the middle of the eyelid and darker shades in the outer edges. Almond-shaped eyes, use light shades of powder from your eyelashes to the eyebrow, a medium shade on the eyelid, and a darker shade on the outer third of your eyelid. Round eyes, use light-colored shadow over the whole lid and darker shades in the crease. Apply eyeliner to both the bottom and top eyelids, and use mascara on the upper external lashes. Wide-set eyes, use a darker shade in the inner corner, to blend up and out. Concentrate mascara and eyeliner on the inner corners of the eyes. Closed-set eyes, use one color, differing from light to darker shades. Start with the lightest shades 1/3 far from the inner corners of your eyes, blending darker shades up and out. Use eyeliner on the outer half of your eye. Deep-set eyes, use eyeliner on both the upper and lower covers, keeping in mind to spot and soften the line. Eye makeup tips. 1. Use Sacha's eyeshadows to show the state of mind. 2. Use the lightest shades over the whole eyelid. 3. Use the medium shade on the lower eyelid. 4. Apply the darkest shades in the outer corner of the eye to produce depth. 5. Apply eyeliner with brief strokes beginning type. 6. The center of the eye and working towards the corners. 7. Mascara surfaces your makeup. 8. Do not use strong eye makeup and vibrant lipstick at the same time. 9. Attempt not to be too remarkable, however there is a secret rarely exposed. Follow these handy ideas to significantly enhance your makeup experience. Click on the link below to learn more.